Hey, what's going on? Garrett here. Now, it was a very sad moment recently when Profits Passport, the automated system designed to really sell Easy One Up and a few other income streams, is no longer active. Okay, maybe you, if you're watching this video, you were using Profits Passport to generate consistent Easy One Up sales or just to build your email list, whatever you were using, and you noticed that maybe you went to this page and you can see it right here that it's no longer available. So what I want to do in this video is share with you a replacement that just came out yesterday at the time of recording that has been changing the game, okay? Because I myself was actually using Profits Passport for many months. I was generating consistent $2,000 commissions in Easy One Up, which many other people were doing as well, just leveraging it. And when I went to, one day I logged in recently, I saw this page and it was like a punch in the gut, right? It was like, what am I going to do? I don't have another sales video or funnel that I can leverage. Well, again, I came across this system. It just came out yesterday, and I want to share with you the answer so you can start back promoting and really create the results you want without missing any time. So there's going to be a link directly below if you want more information or if you want to set up your account in this new system. But the system is called multiple income funnel. Now you can see right here, there's just 4 simple steps. And again, the link directly below this video will eventually take you to this page. And it was created by Mac Mills, this guy here. Now this guy I've actually known for many years online. He's an incredible powerhouse when it comes to designing incredibly high converting systems in the make money online niche. So when I saw this, I mean, it was absolutely perfect timing because again, maybe you're watching this video because Profits Passport went away. You were scratching your head. You didn't know what to do. Maybe you thought your business was completely over. And then out of nowhere, this system appeared at the perfect time. So what this system is basically a way to, if I go into step 2 with the different income streams.
Hey, it's Mac.
It's a way to actually start promoting Easy One Up and 3 other income streams. Now, I've done a lot of other videos recently breaking down the full back office and the different income streams. So I won't get into it that much in this video. I'll either put a card on this video or under the video, I'll link you to some other videos you can go watch after this one. But basically, what you need to understand is this system will promote Easy One Up for you. Okay, so what happens is when someone goes to create an account, they follow these simple 4 steps. And when they get to step 2, Mac, okay, and this incredibly powerful and good video will explain, how the system works and will talk someone into signing up for Easy One Up at the highest levels. Okay, and again, that's what David Dekel's Profits Passport was really good at. And this does the same exact thing. So again, they get to income stream number 2.
That person.
Okay, he breaks down exactly how Easy One Up works and all that good stuff. Now, as you go through the process, if you already have an Easy One Up account, which you may be watching this because you just want an Easy One Up marketing system, all you would do is go to this side right here and you would put in your username. Now, I've already done this, so it's showing complete for me, but it would have a box. You just put your Easy One Up username in there and hit save, and boom, you can start to leverage this system. Okay, they also have TechSpot and Traffic Authority, which is a traffic platform, so you can actually purchase traffic and send it to the system. Now, another thing I love about this system is the very first income stream is the multiple income funnel. Okay, so it pays you $20 reoccurring every single month as someone who joins under you stays on, okay, stays active. So this is giving you where Profits Passport didn't really have many reoccurring payment income streams. This one has an incredible one. So, if you want to take off some time, you still have money coming in. Now, all you have to do once you go to the link under this video and sign up is to go to the links tab at the top and then just get one of your capture pages. Okay, they have many different ones. You can just, open this right here, take a look at it. They have a video, a headline. Your prospect clicks there, they put their first name, their email, and they go to watch the video. And then Mac will actually start sending out follow-up emails on your behalf, converting that person into a sale. And again, they go through the process. and they will actually start to sign up with Easy One Up, TechSpot, Traffic Authority. So again, if you were someone that maybe you were in Profits Passport, you've been looking for a solution, I highly recommend you partner with this system. This is the exact system that I'm going to be personally using. I've been on the leaderboards many, many times in Easy One Up. This is the best system that I've personally found. I heard from someone, and I don't know 100% if it's true, but someone said that David Dekel is even leveraging this system. I don't know 100%, but I did see someone say that. So, this system's incredibly powerful. Just to share real quick some of the results, because again, this launched just yesterday. You can see, Frazier, one of my good friends and business partners, he was already able to generate, $220. Okay. You can go down here, Mac, the creator, just promoting it as an affiliate, was able to, 55 minutes ago post that he made, $824 just between the last two income streams. You can see this guy right here, Jason, okay, already made over $300 in the first 10 minutes. Okay, so this is incredibly high converting. Joshua here, $468 in just a few short hours. Okay, another new person just joined. You can just go down right here, boom, woke up to $342 commission, etc., etc. Okay, and again, this just launched yesterday at the time of recording this. So if you were in Profits Passport, just switch over. Okay, you can actually plug in your Easy One Up account to this system, and you want to set up the other income streams, and you can just hit the ground running. You don't have to, worry. You don't have to feel bad about this. This system's incredible. The track record of the creator is incredible, and I'm going to be using it. As you saw in the Facebook that I just scrolled, those are a lot of other top burners, and they're all using this one. So you definitely want to jump on board, and you can do so at the link directly below. And by the way, for joining me, you're going to get access to thousands of dollars worth of bonuses, copy paste ads, step-by-step over-the-shoulder video training on what I do in 30 to 60 minutes a day to consistently generate commissions. You can see right here. Okay, if I go back into the Facebook group, you can see right here that I'm able to generate multiple different commissions. I generated over a couple $100 yesterday just sending out a Facebook post. So this is incredible. Go down below. If you have any questions, be sure to comment them under this video and I'll answer them about this system the best I can. But again, use this, and I really think you're going to be excited about the results you get.